Hi, Linda K here from lindakstampinpage.blogspot.com with my March 31st video to the collab I'm in titled Canned Paper Pumpkin. I'm in this collab with my friend Paige, who is Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and the purpose of this collab is to help us use up our hoarded paper pumpkin kits. We use whatever kit we want for any month, and I decided this year I was going to use my oldest kits and go forward. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the kit that I used. This one is from March 2017, and it is titled Bunny Buddies. How appropriate for March, because Easter's early this year, and I kind of used the kit according to Stampin' Up's directions. I made a few little variations, but it's pretty much the same. So this is what I have left in the kit. I have, of course, I have the stamp set, and that was a nice stamp set. I'll use this again and again, so I'll add this to my paper pumpkin stamp set collection. I have a lot of these bunny ears in both the small and the large size. I have an idea what I could do with them, but I ran out of time. But I'll add those to my extra supplies from past kits. I have a few little banners. I have a little bit of baker's twine and dapper denim, peach peekaboo, and sweet sugar plum, and then of course the little tiny bunny tails in the coordinating colors. So that's what I have left in the kit, and I'm going to show you some extra products that I used. I used my large archival stamping pad in basic gray. It came a little stamping spot, but I already put that away. I did pull out this Make a Difference stamp set, and this one is current as of filming. I pulled out this Pebbles Pearlescent chalks. I've bought this from Archivers, a long time ago. I used those. I also pulled out these tiny itty bitty stamp sets. I really like these for little cards. They have little tiny images on both sides, and I opened it so much my little kit is falling apart, or my holder is falling apart. But I used, I don't know if you can see this, but I used this bunny. See his little face? It's kind of cute. So I used that because the little envelopes were only 3 by 3. So, and those little tags were tiny. So I used that, and then I did spritz things with my spritzer and my shimmer mist. I used my white Uniball gel pen, and I used my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen. So those are the extra products that I used, and I will show you what I've created. Here are the 9 cards, and they're all pretty much the same. So I did spritz them, if you can see the sparkle. Stamp that little bunny right there. I think you're great. So they're all about the same. Well, except for the peekaboo peach ones. What I did is I decided those were boys, and I gave them a bow tie. And I did use my white Uniball gel pen, and I whitened up their little front teeth. I want my bunnies to have sparkling white teeth. And here are the envelopes, and I used my Stampin' Right markers in Sweet Sugar Plum, Dapper Denim, and Peekaboo Peach. I didn't line them. I'm running out of time, but I might still line them. Here are the little treat bags, because I have them filled. So I'm going to mail a few out to my great nephews, and the rest I'm having as place markers for the Easter table. So on the girls, they all have the Sweet Sugar Plum ears, and then on the faces, I use my chalks to give them rosy cheeks. All the little bunnies have white, sparkling white teeth, and then on the back here, this is where I use that Make a Difference. I stamped the year and stamped the names, and then I have a little coordinating bunny tails. So they're just going to sit right like that. Whoops, right like that on the table. I think I'm just going to put them on the plates, and then let me show you the boys. Here's the boys. They don't have rosy cheeks. They just have sparkling white teeth. And this one's for Dad. And hey, if you're watching this, today is Dad's birthday. He's 90 years old. So say happy birthday, Dad. Okay. And then of course, my great nephews like the little Reese's peanut butter pieces, and I thought these were cute, so they're going to go in their box. I have to mail them. So that is my canned paper pumpkin kit for this month, and this is March 2017, the Bunny Buddies. I think I can this kit. What do you think? Well, I'm going to leave a link below to Paige and whoever else is participating in this collab, and I encourage you to head over to their channels and get some inspiration so that you go into your craft stash and pull out those kits and use them. Send them out in the world, make somebody happy, and then that way you have more room to buy more. Well, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you hit that little notification button down there, you are assured of never missing another one of these marvelous videos. Well, happy Easter, and I'll catch you next month. Bye.